Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing the 3M Post-it Dry Erase Surface. This is basically a whiteboard surface which can be applied on any smooth flat surface, converts it into a whiteboard. It's basically a big whiteboard sticker. So I am doing this for myself because I like something to brainstorm on, to doodle on, and maybe explain something when I'm on a meeting. My camera is actually right here, my webcam, and that's right opposite to this particular cupboard. Like this is the side of a cupboard. So I'm planning to put this dry erase surface on this cupboard side, and let's see how it works and whether it's worth the 2000 rupees it is on Amazon India. The packaging of this particular box is pretty straightforward. I just unfold it here. In the box, you get a 3M roll. Dimension of this roll is 3 feet by 2 feet. Costed me about 2000 rupees. Here's a free cleaning cloth which I get with this particular packaging. So they have given this free cleaning cloth so that you can clean the surface and probably clean the whiteboard after you use it. The material is something really smooth. Basically, there were 3 masking tapes. The installation instruction for this is quite simple, and we'll try to figure out whether it was easy or hard. You have a blue color film which you have to peel out and directly just adhere it onto the wall. They've asked us to clean the wall before we actually install it. So let's just start the installation and see how this works. I'm using the masking tape to guide whether it's straight or not, and I'm just trying to make sure that it fits properly in this space. Let's peel off the blue film and just try to fix it up. So guys, it was that simple. I literally didn't take more than few minutes to install it. You guys saw. Let me just try writing on it and let's just see how well it works. I can barely feel any friction. It's very smooth. I think it's even smoother than some whiteboards. At least the first impression is like that. Let me try with another. This is just very smooth, soft writing. This is the included dry erase cleaning cloth. So let's test that out as well very quickly. I mean, there's absolutely no residue left on the whiteboard. It's really smooth. I'm sure even you can see in the video, right? I have the light. That's about it. This was a very quick video. I wanted to share this small thing which I've bought especially for my home. And I thought, subscribers of Home Banao would like to check it out. I'm planning to do a full-term review of this. Meaning after a few months, how did it hold up? How did it work? Did I still keep it or did I remove it? So for that, of course, stay tuned and stay subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to Home Banao for more future content like this.